Welcome, welcome. I hope this week, this day, this morning, this evening, this afternoon has been treating you well. I'm so happy to have you here this morning. For me, this morning, this is a morning meditation. Just to get my day started, I noticed that meditation helps me keep a clear mind sometimes, but continually doing it definitely helps me. And it's been a few days, and I just wanted to be able to share this blessing with you as well as with myself. So let's get started. I just want you to begin by closing your eyes and moving your body. I always start side to side. I guess that's the easiest movement for me. But if moving forward and back is a good movement for you, do that. If it's just moving your shoulders back with each side you slide to, or going in a circle, going in another circle. Just slow movements, nothing fast, just being gentle with your body and allowing it to guide you. Move how your body wants you to move. Don't try to control your body to move any particular way, to get any particular response. Just feel your body. What does your body need today? How is your body feeling? Let's start there. How is your body feeling? Have you checked in with your body today? Did you say, hi body, how are you? Hi shoulder, hi right shoulder, how are you? Left shoulder, how are you? Neck, does this feel good to you? How about this? Back, roll your back, feel your back. Take time to really hear the response of what your body is saying in response to how are you today. I find that oftentimes we ask, how are you, to people in passing without looking in their eyes, without stopping to wait for their response, just in a rush to get somewhere, but using how are you as just almost like a greeting, like hello. But I'd like to ask you to stop. If you really want to know how someone is, stop. Look them in the eyes and have genuine concern when you ask them, how are you? And in that same manner, when you ask your body, how are you? Stop. Be still in your body. Feel every part of you. Feel the tension in your thighs from sitting cross-legged on the floor. Feel the tension in your neck from a week of sleeping on 3 pillows and disaligning your neck from your spine. Feel all of that, because when you feel it, you're able to address it. Release the tension from your thighs. Unclench your jaws. Relax your back. Now, let's begin. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold in your chest, in your stomach, hold, release. Take a deep breath in, chest, stomach, hold, release. One last time, inhale through your nose, chest, stomach, hold, release. I want you to hear this frequency. Not just through your ears, allow your body to hear. What does your body feel right now? Be still in this frequency. I know that sometimes life can become overwhelming, and that's why a lot of us do turn to meditation to try to help us find peace, find calmness, stillness in the madness of daily life. Sometimes I think we need to address this madness. What is creating this madness in our minds? Is it our expectations of people, places, and things? Is it our desires for worldly possessions? Is it our need to be in control? Sometimes we have to address what is stopping us from having this clarity and peace that we desire. You don't have to run from your problems. Don't seek meditation as an escape. Seek meditation as a way of being able to survive, not just survive, but exist peacefully, live and thrive within the madness. Because you're not going to ever be able to escape the world you live in. You're not going to escape your home, your children, your pets, your job, your family. All of these things are always going to be. You have to find a way to be okay in being in this madness called life. So don't run from your problems when you seek meditation. Seek meditation as a resource to help you be. Take a deep breath in. Release. Take another deep breath in. Hold. Release. In this moment, I ask you to tune in to your surroundings. Hear the planes flying by, the cars zooming through, the children playing in the background, all while still feeling this frequency. Our minds are capable of absorbing and analyzing so many things at once. You just have to choose what to focus on. If the sounds of your city bring you peace and remind you of home, tune into those sounds. If the sound of this frequency brings you peace and takes you home, tune into that. If the sound of my voice brings you peace and takes you home, tune into that. Tune into this. Tune into this moment. And in this moment, I ask that you again scan your body. Is your stomach balled up right now? Are your thighs held tight? Is your back stiff? Relax yourself. Relax yourself. Find peace within yourself. You are your home. You are the one constant in your life. Be okay with being you. Find peace in being you, in existing in this lifetime as yourself, in this world and in this place. Take a deep breath in, hold, release. A 3-part breath in through your nose, chest, stomach, hold, release. Again, in through your nose, chest, stomach, hold, release. One more time. In through your nose, chest, stomach, hold, release. You are exactly where you are supposed to be right now, in this moment. The noises you hear were meant for you to hear. The cars, the sirens, the helicopters, the people, the music, everything that you experience is meant for you. Find peace in your day. You don't have to escape. You don't have to run away from work, from your family, from your obligations in order to find peace. You have to build a life that instills so much love in you that you rise every day not wanting to escape. And when you find peace within, you're better able to live a life you desire. Take a deep breath in, hold, release. I hope this meditation was able to bring to you internal peace, internal stillness, internal calm. And I want you to carry this through your day. When the madness arises, look inward. Realize that you are at home when you are with yourself. And be still in you. Gently open your eyes. Look at the world around you. And remember how blessed you are to be. Have a blessed day.